keep on winning, cause winning is all that matters. You're my family, my friends, my enemies. Go to well, I keep on winning, cause winning is all that matters. You're my family, my friends, my enemies.
We out. What's that step? Where you want, Wendy? Camera. Wendy, is it down there? So? Magnum? Yeah. Come get your food first. Jam so unscrupulous. You Magnum. Some Magnum. So. Reasonable though. $3. How do we cash these? Where? Over there. Okay. Again, 3 of them. Good morning, guys. Today is May. Today, you don't know it's a girl Melica Skylife in the building. Yo, I wanted them. Today is May. Shoes lace messed up. 4th, I think. Yeah, May 4th. It's about 12 girls lace frontal by Curry with a petrol. It's about 12:45 now. Check-in time. Boarding time. We're about to board our flight. We're going to somewhere special today. You don't know. So right now we get some Magnum. And then we'll get Wendy's. Wendy's I want our pizza.
Guys, I really don't know what I want to eat. I am so nervous because we are late and the flight is going to leave us. And we in a line by Magnum to Jeremy. Jeremy, you better appreciate this enough. You better. I know me I want to use the bathroom. But
you better use the bathroom before you go on the plane because when I sit down and get over here and do the usual way I go.
I'm not going to use the man. I'm afraid. I can't use the bathroom on the plane. I have to wait till it stops.
So yeah, we're going a little.
Watch too much movie.
We're going on a little trip today. I'm very excited and happy about it.
And stuff. So hot. Find your phone.
That phone you're like pull up your face more. I don't know. Washing my face out. Your face not hot. Guys, as you all know, I put on like 10 pounds. When I come back, I'm serious about aging again.
Well, me, I plan to put on 20 pounds.
So we're gonna get this, get something to eat, and then board, and then maybe we'll check back in with you when we're at the gate. We can pay anywhere.
Because I don't know why we're still over here, so no,
I don't think I can pay anywhere. Yeah, we're gonna board and maybe get back to you. We're gonna sort this out and stuff. Traveling a little while. She's nervous. I'm nervous. Since I've been traveling a little while, like my ears don't pop anymore when I'm.
Really? Flight 473 with service to Miami.
Should come like my boarding at that nice.
What seat?
They never tell me, guys. I'm so excited because so one fridge down the side. You can go check your fridge. So one fridge down the side. You want water?
Yeah.
Check your fridge. I'm so excited because you guys know that I've been traveling for a little bit and I always travel alone. You don't drink canned water?
I want water.
And I always take one for me. But another something there. Take one water, the regular water. I've always been traveling alone. First time traveling with someone, so I'm pretty excited and I feel comfortable. Eh? I've always been traveling alone. So I'm just so excited about that. We're getting a water now. Ocean getting a gum. She don't want her ears them pop and sitting so. That's what we're doing now. So guys, after a long trip, a long flight, we're finally here. 3.5 hours.
Foreign we reach.
Skin all look different already, I'm just reach.
Say, you come like so look foreign here, bro, palm, you say the tip, just change up. You come with the girl, the girl, I'm not back up.
What listen me? What?
Look how girl like glow. Girl, you look true by the oops. Not foreign.
Try and get it to me.
I'm there a good while now, not sure. I'll tell it short.
Yeah, dead.
Yeah, we reach. Finally reach.
Reaction
I'm not that nervous again.
Nervous.
I'm nervous again because we land. Like people really not like the lifting off. We just not like that department. But once we move off and we in the air, I'm alright. But the landing and the lifting off, I'm not a problem. I'm afraid of heights. But I'm glad we reach. Pray before we lift off, and God answer our prayer as usual, and we land, and we're safe people. We're here. But waiting on our ride. Not sure why he's not here as yet because he's been well excited and I stopped call off the phone from with the Jamaica. On the phone. You can't find my phone. I stopped call off the phone and now we reach and see ya. Slow.
Everybody Miss Melanin.
Everybody else have them people. Everybody else have them people. I'm not even know if I talk loud or low because I can't even hear myself.
Why should nobody talk low?
Yeah, that's it. Hope you not hear me on the video, on the vlog.
The vlog.
I'm not a vlogger, I'm new to this.
Baby.
Subscribe to the link right there. You see it? Yeah, right there. So
Big up any take.
like, subscribe, share, please. And big up my friend. Big up my nail tech. My nail tech Marcia, my hairstylist Kerry always. Big up yourself, large.
Alright my babies, so we're here. I really want to catch Jeremy reaction on camera because he's so extra from man in Melica Allen. I could stop people for no reason. Him come like him overly excited that we're coming. I think Jeremy for the ride just a while away for us to come through. So we're gonna head to the house once we get picked up and maybe go back on the road a little bit later, so we capture that. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. What you want? Chick-fil-A? I think we eat that now. Okay. Or you want some mix up something? I know what you want. So big up Punki and thing in our building. Melica, I think about you, I'm dating. Big up Cherry, big up Mama, big up Bear. Alright. What I say?
We get the Wi-Fi.
What should we think of Jamaica too?
No, I'm just.
The Wi-Fi wouldn't pick up in this because they're not even supposed to have a phone. Guys, I'm in my Skylife necklace. It's so cute. Courtesy of Ocean 50. So, I'm gonna try and locate them people here and maybe get back with you guys and maybe.
Yeah, she would text me.
I'm gonna try and get to that big here. What if you outside? I don't know if you don't want to leave the car.
No, my car.
Alright, give me a few.
Give me a ticket.
I did.
Return to terminal.
I want me come when I hang up the phone and me I just see Melica. I'm
You're gonna dress up
to me. I'm here to Mel. Listen to me. Me I said Mel. Mel, me can't see her. When me look, Melica gone we done with our
I'm so happy, my
and
friend.
then go say she didn't call me all long.
Oh, she made that call it all out.
We can't come a friend. I am a friend. I'm call your friend upon phone and she can't hear you. I gone left her. No, you see her. As you see her start run. And run and back struggle with the bag.
Oh shit, we never did that run. Top 10 lives. You're probably sure?
No, stop. We gotta do it again.
Guys.
Lift me up.
Oh. I'm alone all up like we used to do. Weird. Come again. And me have to set Jermaine.
You know you're in the road, right?
Come here.
Oh.
Come.
You alone just do Jeremy. Okay. Come we lift up Ocean. Come, pull our foot. Jeremy. Guys, we're heading to Walmart. Jeremy, try and vlog. Try and be a vlogger, my nigga.
I don't bother take
See,
over this
they
show.
know, yeah. Oh my, yo. Ooh. Ladies.
Why you and we up in that ear?
Ooh.
Watch her.
You don't know if I'm like Jeremy.
I have good ear, you know, so link up.
Jeremy, yeah, I miss you.
Tell them what we are doing, Jeremy, and be a real vlogger.
Okay, so which part with the okay, so you just have to stand up and post or something.
Alright, let me talk. Let me teach
no,
you.
nobody talk on my time.
Jeremy, don't
Anyway,
run put me
for
for
all of the woman them, isn't it? Say? Oh no, you can't put this in the vlog. I have a woman. I'm a good woman. Love it, baby.
My nigga.
Can she watch your vlog, baby?
She does? She subscribed?
No, she doesn't subscribe.
So why should I subscribe?
You know, she watch your vlog.
Tell her to subscribe. Anyways, guys, we're at Walmart right now. Trying to get a little necessities and stuff.
I'm tired.
Mad tired. It's like,
Calm down and all these.
move for yourself. What
Stop
time now?
it.
What time now?
9:30.
It's like about 9:30 now. 8:30.
At 10 now.
Oh, 10 o'clock now. 9 o'clock yet. Just try this thing.
Really?
On the side.
Just pull it strap. Alright. Yeah, we are getting a few. It's about to get rushing. Like me one piece here. Oh. We're going to Six Flags one of these days, so we have to get. We can't go get bad soap down here. You have two pieces. So, yeah, as I said, it's about 9 o'clock now. We're getting some knickknacks at Walmart. The flight was okay. That nice.
This is the bra, so we're from back home.
A two top bag. Jeremy, we come here to get again.
Oh, we come here to get toothbrush.
Toothbrush and a big card, my nigga. Jeremy, we can't go now when I disable card and drive.
You know, say, alright, guys.
In Ocean.
Yo, big up my woman, Punki.
Ocean. Yo, we don't want to go now when I disable card and
You're
drive.
disabled?
When I
You're really
disable card.
disabled, let's remember.
When I disable card,
Yo,
then
look
for
out for
drive.
me, man, see I shot for me.
Yeah, so we're getting. We don't get these highways,
And I mean, she push you.
but this too big for me.
For what? Wanna get that one?
So we're going
Oh my God, 6
we
When I was 6 months money.
I got 6 Flags.
all right. Let's go get what we need because I'm mad tired.
Big draws out of there. We are going for toothbrush. Come on, let's go around some.
Coming on Germany.
We came to get toothbrush, and this is what we're doing. Not big card. I want it cool.
Whatever the brand is. It's two different brands. Okay, then it's gonna be for the same, the $2.97. I'm sure white and nice, isn't it? I can't wash too now, and I can't cook. You can't cook?
Yeah, boy, I can cook, man.
Okay, see, but
Let's get that.
isn't it I'm saying? Yeah, so welcome to Maryland.
We're getting the toothbrush and we're gonna put it in the. What is the name, Jeremy?
Some of them really need toothbrush.
Yeah, some of them.
Jeremy, we think we forget the one there. I wonder like that. It's so much.
Yeah, but they bristle them soft and little.
Alright, take it too.
This is soft.
Yeah, but the bristle them bigger. Okay. And they have the rubber one them for go between your teeth. Good?
Okay,
you like none of them color here?
Jeremy took this strand here for this thing here.
1 pack of toothbrush.
Now do the reach.
Yeah. So guys, we got 1 pack of toothbrush in this big trolley.
What else?
Oh, you want toothbrush too?
What else you need?
Have it in case.
We just need that now, Jeremy. Tomorrow when I come home.
Tomorrow when what?
You want to make clear for me? We decided that we're gonna look around a bit to see if there is anything else that we need because we can't come along and come by 1 pack of toothbrush. It's embarrassment.
What's that? What's wrong with you? We got a self-checker out on business.
I think we've going the wrong way.
Shoes something there. Yeah. You're not tapping that.
Jeremy, I'm not gonna make a disrespect me on my vlog.
Yo, the one time they take plane and think they know everywhere.
So we're gonna look on some stuff and then head home and then we'll check in with you tomorrow.
Keep saying weed this, weed that. No, I have no problem coming in here, picking up what I want and going home.
We decided that we can. Oh, this bra is nice, Jeremy.
Why are you showing me a bra? I mean, I take it off for you?
But this. When I brush, you go tear up. Yeah, so we decided that we're just gonna look around and see if there's anything else that we need.